Understanding a Real Curveball in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, a real curveball. This expression is commonly used in English, and understanding it can really add some flair to your conversational skills. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily English. The term curveball originates from the sport of baseball. In baseball, a curveball is a type of pitch that is thrown with a particular grip and hand movement, causing the ball to move in an unexpected curve. This makes it challenging for the batter to hit. In everyday English, when someone refers to something as a real curveball, they mean that it is something unexpected and surprising, often causing a change in plans or a need for a quick adjustment. This phrase is often used in informal settings. For example, the sudden rainstorm was a real curveball for our picnic plans. When he announced his early retirement, it threw a real curveball at the team. In these examples, a real curveball is used to describe situations that were surprising and required a quick change in response. It's important not to confuse a real curveball with literally referring to baseball. Remember, it's a metaphorical expression. Also, avoid using this phrase in very formal or academic contexts as it's more suited to casual conversations. There are similar expressions that carry the same meaning, such as throw a wrench in the works, out of left field. Understanding these variations can further enrich your English vocabulary. We hope this explanation of a real curveball helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning these idiomatic expressions can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.